Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can delete a strip on your website. So when I'm going to click like right here and I'm going to add some kind of strip like this one right here, and we have the strip and we want to have it deleted. So what you want to do is pretty simple. You're gonna right click on it and then you're gonna find like delete, and that's how it's going to get deleted. So that's how it's done. And if you want to, you can just delete also just the parts of the strip, not just the strip itself, if you're gonna click on the column. So that's something you can do, and that's how it's done. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions guys, let me down below in the comments. Would be happy to help you if I know. So yep, when I go back, and I'm going to strip like this one right here. You can just delete just this one right here if you want to.